Acme Concrete Raising and Repair developed the Smart Lift system to provide an ultimate solution for settled concrete. Created with modern technology, their Smart Lift system uses a polyurethane injection process specifically engineered for raising and supporting concrete slabs and structures. This same process is a trusted and proven technology, one which has been used on large highway projects for well over 20 years. By assessing the problem from various angles, Acme Concrete works to identify any underlying issues which may have caused your concrete to settle. The proper identification of problematic and contributing factors will help ensure long-lasting repairs. In addition to concrete lifting, the Smart Lift system can repair weak, troublesome subgrades and increase load-bearing capacity. Using a deep stabilization process, polyurethane fills voids and ground fissures. It also binds loose soils. Concrete raising is an eco-friendly choice. Most sunken concrete, even if cracked, can be raised to provide many more years of service. Raising existing concrete instead of replacing it will help keep concrete out of landfills. With Acme Concrete's Smart Lift system, there are no inconvenient wait times as with inferior methods. Driveways and garage floors can be immediately driven on once raised and supported. Not only is polyurethane lifting material lightweight and strong, it's permanent. Once injected beneath the slab, the polyurethane will not crack, wash out, or degrade to any significant degree for decades. Provided by Acme Concrete Raising and Repair, the Smart Lift system is the ultimate solution for settled concrete. Acme succeeds where concrete fails.